Good for one, free handcrafted gift from Occupy Oakland, valued at exactly one less corporate purchase you have to make in your life.
We encourage you to do your holiday shopping at downtown Oakland small businesses and shops. It helps the community, and it feels great to know the person you buy stuff from. Excuse today's inconvenience. We mean no harm. Email okoakvolunteers@gmail.com.
Target, polluters with political influence. 2011. Target Corporation paid $22.5 million to settle a lawsuit for illegally disposing of hazardous waste at stores in Alameda County and throughout California.
Number one campaign contributor to Michelle Bachmann. Robert Woolman, CEO, $40 million a year. Cashier wage, $7.84 per hour on average.
Where are they? Where were they? Just everywhere. Like they're all on the 7
or 8 shopping carts for this product that was like trying to block the lanes, and there's a whole bunch down at the end by the reading.
Oh, awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.
Cool. Whoa.
Ikea, Nazi roots, sweatshop products. 1943, Ikea founded by Ingvar Kamprad, a member of the Nazi Party. 2010.
Ikea is inducted into Sweatshop Hall of Shame for selling linens made in Turkish sweatshop where workers die due to unsafe conditions.
I think we're all trying to.
So the rationale is that that's because we're